first bald clip.
Wow. Hello, love.
Hello, love.
This is how I look to Micah. Wait, look, do like your point of view. Like your... Ew!
What is your point of view?
A menace. A menace to society. We are going to rearrange the living room. Why don't you come tell them why? Why are we rearranging? I have a roommate! So we're gonna change up the space a little bit just to make it feel different. I think we're gonna flip-flop the living room. Oh my god, the amount of stuff I've thrown behind this couch. Ooh! Oh! I'm wheezing! What the literal... Ew! New living room alert. This looks really good. We literally just did the opposite. We've got the TV over here. I feel like it still feels very open. Haven't done this living arrangement yet in this apartment, so I'm excited. It's like a little change. Also, the bedroom is a little bit different. Micah needed some space for his clothes, so what did I do? I cleared out 6 bags of donations. Still recovering from that one. He has this closet now, and then this one is just all my stuff. It's a little crowded, but we're making it work. This is life, living with a boy. She says very excitedly. I love Costco, I'm so excited.
Woo!
If you watched the last vlog, you know. Nothing too crazy today. Micah's currently teaching me how to cook chicken. We are currently chefing it up. We're making some protein bowls with chicken. Micah's in charge of the chicken. Clearly, I'm gonna cut up all the fruits and veggies. I have some Spanish rice simmering in the pot. So what is this chicken?
When I was in college, I was just making chicken. And I would just throw whatever seasonings I had and I liked. It worked. The base of it is honey and sriracha.
Mystery chicken!
Mystery chicken!
Woohoo! Look what I gave Micah today. Do you want to tell them about your first experience watching me cut veggies?
Well, as you guys can probably see from Ava's cutting skills.
What? What do you mean my cutting skills? I go, I'm perfect. Wait, how did Kendall Jenner do it? She was like holding the cucumber like this.
The very first time Ava ever cut vegetables for me, she cut her finger open. And I think that was about like the second or third time I came to hang out here.
Yeah. So then he revoked.
And she's slowly earning her
privileges.
Her cutting privileges back. Cause I need her to have all her fingers.
Yeah, I lost my cutting privileges for a while. Like he would literally, and every time to this day, if I go, you just look so scared because I feel like you're expecting to see a bloodbath.
And I've shown her how to properly cut things, and she continues to cut them in her own way, which is okay. So long as I need to get you like metal sheathing for your hands, like chain link gloves to cut vegetables with.
Jamie Lannister's golden hands. Game of Thrones. Get ready with me to start a fire so that my boyfriend can report to the scene. I love when it's my night to cook dinner and then this happens. Get ready with me to contract salmon vanilla. Get ready with me to find out his address. This is what the setup is currently looking like. We're just gonna add the chicken. It's still cooking. Here's our lovely meal. Spanish rice, tons of veggies, chicken. And now it's time for our nightly tradition. Every night we watch an episode of Game of Thrones. We're on season 6. First timers. All right, just to kind of explain what's going on here, because in this video, I literally went on a whole rampage about how Micah and I were gonna be doing long distance for 11 months while he went to Hilo for Fire Academy. So basically, SparkNotes version, long story short, a spot here at the Honolulu Fire Department Academy opened up, so he got offered a spot there. So now he's in training on Oahu, so he didn't have to move, no more long distance. And long story short, it kind of just worked out where he was like, let's do this thing. It's great, it's fun. I actually have more alone time than ever because he'll leave at like 6 a.m., come back around 5:30, 6 p.m. So I have a lot more free time than I thought I would. I had a lot more than I did before, which was really interesting. He was living at his parents' house before, thought he was gonna move away. And then when he found out he was staying here, he was like, I'm kind of starting my career here. This is like the beginning of that. And I want to start creating my own life for myself. And so I was like, all right, let's do it. That's how we got here. And now you're all caught up.
Happy Saturday, guys. What a week.
Big latte household. Here you go. The back of your shirt is so aggressive. Holy shit. I have successfully been hyperfixated on egg bites for like 4 months now, and the grind just doesn't stop. There was one time I had 4 packages in one day. But I think it's not bad for you. The egg bites are good, but yeah. The weekend mornings are the only mornings that we can hang out and spend time together because usually he leaves at like 6. Breakfast of champions today. Really big deal. We've got a spread of cream cheeses. Hello? I forgot. Sorry. Sorry, I just always lick the spoon, I'm sorry. It's really hard adjusting to this new life. Oh!
Yeah, I bet them already.
Oh, you're out! 3 for 3. Vlog takeover by Micah. Here you go. Bye.
What's going on, guys? We're at the golfing range right now. You know, this is how we do it. Michael, Ramon, this is Punanj right here. Let's get it. Film this. I was about to vlog your stuff. I got you. Is it on him?
Yeah.
Oh!
That was good!
What you gotta say?
This is what I do.
This is what I do. Ava, what do you gotta say about that? It's whatever, right? It's whatever.
Hey guys, did you hear that?
Thumbs up from me, guys.
Probably double up next time.
I feel blessed.
Is it? Look how beautiful this is. It's like a creamy chicken Cajun pasta. I didn't know what I wanted to make for dinner tonight, so I looked up protein pasta recipes, and this one kind of caught my eye, so I'll link it down below. Well, I haven't tried it yet. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh, great heavens. Look, it's Micah.
He has a lot more hair than I do.